testing, basically. This is a product that I want to see if it worked. It's not a new product, so don't get too excited. It's not a new product. And no, it's not this thing that I'm sorting out in the middle of the video. So anyway, the product is this thing. And what I'm going to be doing is, I'll show you here. I bought it at an antique store, and, well, it's most antiques. Usually these things work. If this one doesn't work, well, it's got a little, that thing on there, it's a little like ball on the end. Seems to look okay. What am I putting? Air tool oil, because that's what I lubricate everything in this place with. Air tool oil. So I'll put a bunch in there. Then I'm going to give it the squirty squirt. Oh, look, there's even different. This is so old, I've had it for so long, it becomes an extra cap. Now, it's my luck, I put too much oil in it. The cap's going to fall off. Alrighty. Let's test it out here. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, there we go. It works. Hallelujah. Works great, actually. Now I gotta clean this mess up. Now I gotta clean the mess up. I should have picked something to oil. So anyway, what, 10 bucks, flea market? Works pretty good. I have, I don't know, probably half dozen of these things. But I don't have very many ones with pumps on it. I have this one, I have one over there, an old rusty, ugly one. I have like a half-gallon one over there, I think it is. And a couple other ones. But, you know, sometimes you just want to play with things. While I'm here, let's go with this. What is this? Oh, look, it comes with a fancy little other cap. Let me see. Comes with the do not play with me cap, and it comes with the go to town cap. And a little watching. I wonder if I can get it to seat the other way. Goes that way. Let's see. Nope. Nope, it all screws in the same way. Anyway, it's all yucky. I'm getting dirty. Oh no. Anyway, like, subscribe, and tell me I like the channel. Thanks for watching.